Welcome, traveler. Perhaps you didn't come here by accident. Something within you has led you right here. This is where the journey back to yourself begins. A path that is calm, human, and yet full of strength. Enter, take a deep breath, and allow this space to reconnect you with who you truly are. Pause for a moment. Let everything around you fade away. Quiet the world, quiet your thoughts, and listen only to your breath. Because right now, in this very moment, something within you can change. You are not here by coincidence. Your soul brought you here to remember what you once knew long ago and perhaps have forgotten. That your life, your strength, and your balance have always been within you. This space is not ordinary. It is part of a unique program that unites three great paths of human wisdom: Stoicism, Eastern philosophy, and indigenous knowledge. This video will look at your questions, struggles, and challenges through these three perspectives: the view of the Stoic, the Eastern sage, and the voice of indigenous wisdom. It will help you understand why things happen the way they do, and most importantly, how to face them practically with calm, perspective, and strength that rises from within. Here, reason meets the soul, wisdom meets courage, silence meets action. So take a deep breath and let me guide you on a journey that may just change your life. Today we will talk about, explain, and learn how to really sleep well and why it is important. Seneca said, "Sleep is the medicine that nature gives for free to those who listen to her." Every night the body wants to heal, but we often do not allow it. We stay awake, endless lists in the head, the light of a screen, and the body waits until you allow it to fall asleep. Sleep is not lost time. It is the purest form of healing. It is the moment when the soul and the body go home. There, where strength, calm, and wisdom are born. Sleep affects every aspect of our health and life. Quality and sufficient sleep is essential for physical and mental well-being. During sleep, the body regenerates and the brain processes information. On the contrary, long-term lack of sleep can lead to serious problems. Most adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep per day to be able to draw all the benefits of healthy sleep. Why is quality sleep important? Sleep is a basic biological need. A good night's rest gives you energy, improves your mood, memory, and concentration, and protects your body from diseases. Conversely, poor sleep throws off your entire organism. It increases the risk of heart disease, obesity, depression, dementia, and other troubles. Sleeping well, therefore, means investing in your health and happiness. When you sleep well and properly, you have more energy and better concentration, better mood and psychological well-being, better memory and thinking, better regeneration of your body for disease prevention, better, that is, stronger immunity. First, let me tell you a story to begin with. Imagine a lake. During the day, waves, wind, movement. But in the evening, the water calms and the moon begins to reflect on the surface. This is how sleep works. It is a mirror in which it is reflected how you live during the day. When the mind is calm, sleep comes naturally. When it is stirred, sleep becomes a struggle. And so the secret of good sleep does not begin at night, but during the day. And what is the Stoic attitude toward this topic? It is the day that leads to calm. The Stoics considered sleep an exercise in wisdom. Every evening they closed the day with a short ritual. They wrote down what went well, what they would do differently, and then let the mind be at peace. You cannot fall asleep in peace while your thoughts are at war. Stopping, taking stock, calm. This is the key. You do not fail to fall asleep because the body does not want to sleep, but because the mind is afraid to let go of control. Try to say to yourself in the evening, "Today I did what I could. I leave the rest to life and invite sleep as a friend, not as an obligation." Another teaching, in the form of the Eastern principle, approaches this topic as the balance of yin and yang energy. Eastern philosophy understands sleep as a return to yin, the energy of silence, darkness, and renewal. Day is yang, light, activity, performance, and both must be in balance. He who does not respect the night loses the strength of the day. The problem of today's time is that we live in constant yang, light, noise, information, activity, and the body is asking for yin, silence, darkness, calm, regeneration. When we do not give it, it begins to be tired, irritable, and unsettled. And then we say, "I cannot sleep." But in reality, we are saying, "I cannot switch off." The indigenous principle relies on a method that is known as darkness as a healer. Indigenous cultures understood the night as a sacred space. Darkness was not a threat for them, but a medicine. In the evening, they extinguished the fires, sat in silence, breathed, listened to the sounds of the night. They knew that in darkness the body heals and the soul travels. They said, "He who learns to fall asleep with trust learns to trust life." Because sleep is nothing else than a small everyday death, the abandonment of control and the return to the source. And what practical recommendations do I have for you? Begin preparing for your sleep already in the afternoon. Have your last coffee at the latest 6 hours before bedtime. Breathe into calm. Before sleep, breathe slowly. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. Respect darkness and calm. Darken the room, dim the lights, turn off noisy devices, and let darkness and calm heal. The bedroom should be dark, quiet, cooler, and comfortable. In such an environment, it is best to fall asleep. Also pay attention to a quality mattress and pillow that suit you. Use the bed only for sleep and intimacy. Do not deal with work or other stressful activities in it, so that your brain associates the bed only with rest. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and get up at the same time every day, and that includes the weekend. If you cannot fall asleep in the evening within 20 minutes, do not stress while lying down. Rather get up, sit for a moment with some calm activity, for example, read by a dim light, and return to bed when you begin to feel drowsy. Avoid stimulants and heavy food before sleep. Caffeine and nicotine can disrupt falling asleep and sleep itself. Do not go to bed either hungry or overfull. In the evening, eat lightly and for the last time, ideally 2 to 3 hours before lying down. In the evening, quiet both the light and the head. Instead of the phone, light a candle, read a book, or listen to calm music. Introduce a rule: no screens at least 30 minutes before sleep. Read a book, listen to quiet music, take a warm shower or bath. Put away electronics and allow yourself digital calm before sleep. Avoid intense training late in the evening. Move during the day and calm down in the evening. Create an evening ritual in which you release stress. For example, write on paper everything that troubles you or what you must do tomorrow, and thereby set it aside from your mind. Breathe deeply. Imagine that with the exhale you blow all worries away. Let's now look at practical exercises that will help you. Exercise number 1. Deep breathing, the 4-7-8 method. The goal of this exercise is to teach you how to slow your heart rate and induce a feeling of calm. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then slowly exhale through the mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle several times. Practice daily. At the beginning, practice for at least 3 minutes before sleep. Gradually increase the time of the exercise. Already 10 slow, deep inhales and exhales can activate your body's own relaxation response and slow your heart rate. This exercise will help teach you how to slow your breathing and quiet your nerves. How to achieve deep abdominal breathing that oxygenates your body and sends a signal to your brain that it is time to relax. Often during the exercise, you will already feel how with each exhale, a feeling of calm spreads through your body. Exercise number 2, progressive muscle relaxation. The goal of this exercise is to teach you how to eliminate physical tension. Gradually tense and relax individual muscle groups in the body. Lie comfortably on your back, close your eyes, and go through the entire body, from the toes up to the head. Always tense the given muscle group, for example, feet, calves, thighs, buttocks, abdomen, hands, shoulders, neck, face. Exercise for about 5 to 10 seconds, then with an exhale, quickly release and relax it. Between individual groups, leave about a 10 to 20 second pause and notice how the muscle pleasantly relaxed after the tension. Continue further until you go through the entire body. This exercise will help you with the gradual, progressive relaxation of muscles, which will show you the difference between tension and relaxation, and will induce a feeling of bodily well-being. When the muscles are relaxed, the body has no reason to be on alert. You cannot be tense and relaxed at the same time. And it is precisely on this principle that the method works. For many people, this method helps them fall asleep already during the exercise or shortly after it, because it removes the tension accumulated throughout the day. Exercise number 3. Mindfulness meditation and a body scan. The goal of this exercise is to induce a feeling of well-being in your body, reduce stress, and help your body fall asleep more easily. Mindfulness meditation means that you consciously focus attention on the present moment, typically on your body and breath, and let thoughts flow without dealing with them. Lie down in bed, close your eyes, and go through your whole body in your mind. That is, practice the so-called body scan. Start at the toes and proceed upward. Notice how each part feels. Is it relaxed, or are you holding tension in it? If you feel discomfort, try to consciously relax the given part with the next exhale. Slowly scan through the calves, thighs, pelvis, abdomen, chest, arms, neck, face, and with each part, observe for a moment, whether it is relaxed or tense. Practice daily every evening for at least 5 minutes or more. This meditative exercise will teach you to be here and now and to relax instead of chasing thoughts. If it helps you, you can imagine that with each slow exhale, all your stress and tension leaves the body. This exercise technique increases your inner calm and improves your ability to fall asleep. Exercise number 4, visualization of a calm place. The goal of this exercise is to detach you from disturbing thoughts and relax your body and your mind. This technique is based on imagination. It uses the mind's ability to create soothing images that induce your feeling of safety and relaxation. Lie down, close your eyes, and imagine a place where you feel comfortable and safe. It can be a real memory, for example, a quiet beach, a forest clearing, a hammock in the garden at your grandmother's, or a completely imagined scenery. The important thing is that it evokes calm in you. Engage all your senses in your image. What colors and shapes do you see? What sounds do you hear? The murmur of the sea, the chirping of birds. What do you feel on your skin? A warm breeze, soft grass. The more vividly you recall the scene, the better you occupy the mind with a positive image. Visualization works a bit like daydreaming before falling asleep. This exercise will help lull your brain into a drowsy state. Exercise number 5, evening journaling. The goal of this exercise is to relieve your psyche by transferring your thoughts from your head, so to speak, onto paper. You might not even perceive it as an exercise, but writing notes before sleep is a very effective technique for emptying your head. Take a notebook and every evening write for 5 to 10 minutes what you need to get out of your mind. You can write down tasks for tomorrow or describe your thoughts and feelings that weigh on you. This exercise will help you shorten the time to fall asleep by calming your brain, because it knows that you will not forget anything important because you have it written down, and your brain can switch off now. You can write in the form of free notes, bullet points, or even a letter to yourself. The style is not important. This simple evening practice thus eases your anxiety and allows you to go to bed with a clear head. And what is the final thought of this video? Sleep is not a task, it is a gift. Improving sleep is a process. Like other skills, sleep can be trained. If you persevere, your reward will be easier falling asleep, deeper sleep, and fresh awakening. Every night is a new opportunity to return the body and the soul to balance. When you learn to really sleep well, you learn to really live well. Turn off the light, take a breath, and let life embrace you for a few hours. Take a deep breath and let everything you've just heard settle for a moment. Every word, every image that spoke to you today has the power to change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Remember, the strength, the calm, and the balance you're searching for have always been within you. You just need to return to them. If this video inspired you, give it a like and help these ideas reach others who might need them right now. Subscribe to the channel My Life in My Hands so you won't miss the next step on this journey, a journey toward a conscious, peaceful, and powerful life. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch the next video waiting for you right here. Because with every step forward, you discover more of who you truly are. Never forget, your life is truly in your hands.